Okay, ladies and gents, we're going to talk about the mortgage game that nobody teaches you up front. Depending on what credit score you have, it can cost you thousands, $30,000, $40,000, $50,000 over the life of the loan. So I want to talk to you about what's really happening out here and how it can save you money, okay? So let's get into it. I'm Alexis, and if you think all mortgages are the same, you have no idea. You have no idea what your credit score actually does for you when we're talking about a mortgage. And this one can save you more money than most people make all year. Let's talk about the mortgage game that nobody teaches you. And this is why I love to have a relationship with a great lender. And it's important for us as realtors to give you the information that we know in advance, okay? So, because I'm a realtor and an investor, and I buy homes myself, this is important information to know for everybody if you're looking to buy your first home. Please make sure that you subscribe below because I'm dropping real gems that some of your lenders do not tell you in advance, only because they want their business. So every Tuesday I'll be dropping real gems that your lenders won't tell. So this one is going to be real personal because this one is actually about me, not one of my clients, but mostly about me. So when it comes to, I'm just going to say purchasing a home. My lender had told me at one point, at the time, I'm like, oh, my credit score is great. I'm over a 660. One of them was like a 680. I'm like, okay, no, lies. 675 is what my credit score was. So I'm like, I'm feeling real good. I'm like, yes, we can do this. Credit score was 675. My lender was like, no, Alexis. I said, what do you mean, no? He said, give me the 680. That way you'll get the best rate, lower monthly payment. And then for me, that lower monthly payment was saving me, oh my goodness, it was saving me a couple of $1,000s, a couple of $100s a month. And that couple of $100s a month, this is going to be for me personally, but I'll tell you about a person that purchased regularly. But for me personally, it was going to be the difference of me having a monthly mortgage payment of, like, let's say $1,300 a month and $1,700 a month. Now imagine if the rent is $2,000 that I'm charging on that particular place. So I was either going to be cash flowing $300 or I was going to be cash flowing $700. Which one would you prefer? And that was the difference in the 675 and then want us to be 680 to 700. Can you believe it? Those few points, that 5 points and that 680, 20 points to 700, that number right there made a couple of $100 difference in what I was going to be able to take cash flow once my tenants paid their rent. The same is actually going to happen to you over the life of the loan, depending on your credit score. So let's get into it. So most people don't realize they shop harder. They shop harder for a car than they actually do for a mortgage. No, shop those interest rates, shop those lenders, make them earn your business. And that's why I say use everything you got. Work with a person, work with an agent who can say, okay, we don't like that score, we don't like that interest rate. You can try multiple people, try multiple lenders, and some lenders, mortgage brokers, will try to shop to get you the best rate depending on who you're working with. Okay, that's just a tidbit. If you got a credit union, call your credit union first. So you actually qualify for more areas than you think, so try it out. You got to shop around and you need to know all your options. That's what a qualified person is going to tell you, and that's why I'm telling you right now. So we're going to talk about a few little credit hacks that I'm going to give you guys right now for free. And I know everybody charges for all this information, but I'm giving it to you right now for free. Hack number 1. Get all your credit cards, write them down, get the full balance, and then what you want to do is pay them all down to 30%. 30%. I'm not saying you got to pay them all off. Pay them all down to 30%. You don't want to close these cards. Hell, if you can, get them down to 10%, but getting them all below 30% helps you so much. It will actually start to shoot your credit score right back up. I do this in between buying homes and managing properties and doing renovations all the time. Hack number 2, call for a credit limit increase. This will help your utilization without ever having to pay down your credit card. You call them, your utilization actually drops. Okay, so I'm saying pay it down to 30%. Call and see if they'll give you an increase. I got one the other day and I didn't even call, okay? And my credit score went up. So make sure you're paying the credit cards on time. So when you call and ask for the increase and they see that you're always using it, they will give it to you 9 times out of 10. Hack number 3, become an authorized user. If you know somebody that got way better credit than you, ask them to add you as an authorized user, and then their good credit history becomes part of your good credit history, especially on whatever card that they have. I've done this for friends, and friends have done that for me, especially us in the real estate game. We are always constantly using our credit on projects and credit cards back and forth, switching balances, buying material, paying off stuff, picking up stuff. Some people are even buying taking down payments off their credit card because their credit is so good. So you got many options. Once you pull that credit report, if I discussed it in the last video I did, but free credit report, annualcreditreport.com, I'll link it below. But dispute anything that does not belong to you and that you did not authorize. Dispute it. It'll come off, your credit score go up. So here's the timeline. That's all stuff that you can do for absolutely free without paying anybody any money or signing up for anybody program. All of this was completely free, and most of this works in 30 to 60 days. Trust me. I know that it works because I do it all the time. I pay down all my balances right before they report, before they 30 days. And then shoot my credit score up, even though I know I'm about to immediately use it. So that's another hack you can do for free. So I'm going to wrap this up, but what you really want to do is shop for your mortgage. You can talk to a mortgage broker, you can call your credit union, and you can call the bank that you actually bank with right now and see what they give you. Give everybody the exact information and see what information they give you back and what they approve you for, and you start right there. Don't just compare the interest rate, look at the fees they're charging you also. So here's something that even I didn't know, that what I'm sharing with you guys once I did learn, that between 14 to 45 days, that account is one inquiry if you shop with 3 different lenders, okay? Like your bank, the credit union, and then a mortgage lender. If it's all between that day, the account is 1 inquiry. And I didn't even know that. We're all doing this with the same checklist that I helped create because I needed one and it was useful to everybody else. My clients, I give it to them. So I'm giving you guys my credit repair list, and my lender shopping guide is going to be below. Absolutely free. Take it all. Use it, print it out. Start helping yourself. I'm linking the websites below, the phone scripts and the timelines, completely for free. Because some realtors just want to show you houses, and I actually want to get you to prepare for shopping smarter. Okay? It's getting late. I gotta go. If this video helped you at all, hit the subscribe button, and I'll be looking forward to seeing you guys on next Tuesday.